Welcome to this presentation on the influence of flipped classroom on students' achievement in secondary school geography. This research was conducted by Amandeep Singh and published in Volume 5, Number 1, 2025, January 2025. Today, we will explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. The world is changing, and so is education. In the 21st century, we need students who can think critically, work together, and use technology effectively. Geography is a vital subject that helps students understand the world around them, from how the environment shapes societies to how humans impact the planet. However, sometimes traditional ways of teaching geography do not fully capture students' interest or promote a deep understanding of these complex topics. To understand the impact of the flipped classroom, we used a research design that compared two groups of students over a 3-week period. One group experienced the flipped classroom, while the other followed a traditional teaching method. We selected two comparable private schools with 50 students in each group. Students were not randomly assigned to groups, but rather the existing classes were assigned to either the flipped or traditional approach. The study revealed some clear differences between the two teaching methods. Initially, both groups performed similarly on the pre-test, meaning they started with comparable levels of geography knowledge. However, after the 3-week intervention, the students in the flipped classroom group scored significantly higher on the post-test compared to those in the traditional classroom group. This research indicates that the flipped classroom model holds significant promise for improving geography education. Substantial increase in academic performance among students in the flipped classroom group can be attributed to several factors. By engaging with instructional content outside of class, students could learn at their own pace, revisiting complex topics as needed. In conclusion, this study provides compelling evidence that the flipped classroom model can significantly benefit secondary school students' achievement, motivation, and engagement in geography. By reimagining how learning happens, shifting direct instruction outside the classroom, and utilizing interactive activities within, this approach addresses many of the limitations of traditional teaching methods. As we move forward, education needs to adapt to prepare students for the future.